What's up, everyone? This is Crypto Stuff here. Today is February the 22nd. It's a Saturday morning here, and I want to give you guys a quick update on Ripple. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. Um, so let's start here. We're on the 4-hour chart, and I just want to show, similar to Bitcoin and maybe a lot of other coins, we did reject this whole move since December. We did reject right off of that 0.618 fib retracement from the top to the bottom of this whole correction that we spent the second half of 2019 correcting. We ended up climbing up on a logarithmic scale to the 0.618, and we actually did not manage to close even a 1-hour candle above that. So it was only a wick above that point. And so that's significant. That's a significant area for sure. And other than that, I want to show you guys that when we're looking at this piece right here, this whole move up, the biggest thing that I see, especially when zooming into just this part, is a head and shoulders pattern. That's like the main thing I notice, and I've actually shared this on the in the Telegram channel already. It's a free channel if you guys want to join. We have a channel and a group chat, both free, where we post educational content. I post these YouTube videos there. I post my live trades there and some other stuff. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave those links in the description below. So other than that, yeah, this is what I've seen. I've seen it for a few days now, and I'm interested in shorting this possibly with a tight stop loss. But here's the head and shoulders right here. That's the shoulder, head, and I believe this is the shoulder right here. And so I think what we're doing right now is just working on getting ready to dump. I think that this is the neckline. We created that shoulder already. So to get the minimum target, you would just drag a line straight down from the top of the head to the neckline. And let's go off a logarithmic for a second. Yeah. And you'd put it at the neckline going down. Now, the significance of this head and shoulders pattern, let me just make this a little easier to see. Okay, so the significance of this head and shoulders pattern is that it's leading, the minimum target is actually the beginning of the whole impulsive move. So it's literally right there. That's the minimum target for a head and shoulders pattern. So if that's the case, we're in for a pretty hefty drop, and I think that will actually take us to lower lows. So if that is the case, then I think that we can see this whole move right here as a ABC move. So that'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'd have an A, B, C, and right here, where are we? Something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, an extended fifth wave. And what that will do is create a higher degree A, B, C, which is a corrective pattern, wave structure. An ABC structure leads to a lower low, or more of a correction afterwards. So we have 5 waves up that created A, ABC created B, and another 5 waves up to create the C. And we finished that at the 0.618 level pullback, and other than that, we had a head and shoulders pattern top. So overall, I think it's pretty bearish. Now, you can view this whole thing as a full 5 wave structure if you just change it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can look at it like that, and you can say maybe this head and shoulders won't even reach its minimum target. You can grab a fib retracement level and target the 0.618, and you can say that this is A, this is B, and we're going to come down here for C, like that, and then we'll finish the correction. So there's 2 ways of looking at it. The only issue is it just seems more bearish with that pattern, the minimum target of the pattern, the idea of the ABC, and the rejection at the 0.618. I'm assuming that it's a high possibility that we can get to this point. And like I said, if we get to this point, I'm pretty confident we'll head lower. So with that in mind, let's go back here. And I want to show you the bear count In fact, let me just show you the bullish scenario. If that's the case, then we would just simply take a Fibonacci extension tool, target the 0.618, and we'll target the 1.618 extension for wave 3. So that would look like this. Larger wave 1, this ABC down, larger wave 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, wave 4 somewhere over here, and continue up. So this is how it would look, in my opinion. Give me a second here. Something like that. So wave 1 done already. Wave 2 around here. After we finish that ABC structure. Wave 3, 4, and 5. So the next target would be around there, the 1.618, which is a common target for wave 3s. That looks like about 115%. And if you wanted to play it safe, you'd keep the stop loss at the low. But I wouldn't feel comfortable entering there unless I see some type of pattern that's giving me an ideal entry. Something that shows, so like if we go a little lower here, then something like this, where we can clearly see an ending diagonal for the C wave or this falling wedge looking pattern. That would be a good reversal pattern, and that would be where I'd be comfortable. So we're on some support. This was resistance, and it would have to come and prove that it's support at this point. But we'd be around support, and then from there we can bounce. But that's only if some type of pattern forms, like I said. Other than that, if we erase all of this, what I'm seeing as my main count is that this whole thing was an ABC on the top, A, B, C down. Now we get an A, B, C up, and then we get another ABC down. So something like the A, B, C. And if we zoom out, it'd probably be something like a WXY for the most part. Let's see. Right here, W. All of this was X, and then we have another swing low to around 7 cents, maybe 10 cents, somewhere around there. And then we continue upwards for the new impulse to higher highs and whatnot. So that's what I'm seeing. This is my primary count, but my alternate count, like I said, if we can form some type of reversal pattern here for the C wave, we're definitely going to be going up, and I'd be looking to long there. I'll have updates along the way. But other than that, guys, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment below what else you want to know, what other coins you want me to analyze, and check the description for the links for the Telegram group chat and the Telegram channel. All right, take care.